Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this show-stopping centerpiece for your Christmas table, a whole-baked barramundi wrapped in paper bark. What Christmas looks like at my house is all of my family and friends coming together, bringing a plate and creating a wonderful and vibrant share table, using fresh and local produce, not too dissimilar to this barramundi. This dish really speaks for itself, using fresh native ingredients such as foraged paper bark, or you can pick up some from your local indigenous store, using fresh barramundi, fresh spring onions and sliced lemon, finished off with olive oil, lemon myrtle and salt and pepper. And we also added some micro herbs just to add that pop of colour. When I'm creating my Christmas menu, I like to make sure that everyone feels loved. That means having a large variety of proteins, red meats, fish, white meats, and lots of different salads and carbs. My favourite thing about Christmas in Australia is that it's in summer. That means our Christmas table is always full with a bounty of seasonal cherries, strawberries, mangoes and melons. Great for sharing and refreshing in the summertime. One dish that is always a guarantee at my Christmas table is sticky date pudding with caramel sauce and ice cream. Maybe a little bit too much after a day of feasting, but we always make room. If you'd like to see the full recipe for this barramundi, check out our website. Thanks for joining us.